We are in the series of Golang for Kids, and today we'll learn pointer. So on the basic type, array and slice. So pointer basically holds the address of any memory block, and with the help of the pointer we can change the value, and we can also easily access the value. So let's see example for the pointer in a different types and see how it's useful. So I'm going to show this pointer example with a very basic type. Let's say int a. So I'm going to create a variable int a. So a and type is int var, and we can say this is the pointer. So you can say it's a type of pointer. And if I want to access the value, then in that case I can use the star pointer also. So a star is also a way to define the variable, and a star is also utilized to access the value. So let's say so b is equal to 10, and then I declare a variable here a, and this is the type pointer, and this is also pointer. Now I'm going to assign the address of this b to a. So a is equal to address of b. So I can do like this, or one line also, I can do like this. Both works, we'll see. Yeah, so var a star int, and we put the address of b. Now if I want to print the value of b, I know we can print this with help of b, but this time we're going to print this b value with help of a. So fmt and I have to give star a, because a is a pointer and this holds the address of b. So a holds the address of b, and if I want to print this 10, then I have to say star a. That means whatever the a holds, that is address, I want the value of that address. So a holds the address of b, and I want the value of b. Let's print this, run this program. Let me save this. Let's run once again. You can see the value a equal to 10. A is equal to 10. So you can print the value of this b. If I want to change the value of b with the help of pointer a, I can say star a is equal to 20, or maybe star a plus 10. So this is 10, and add the 10. So the new value will be 20, and we can print with the help of this pointer. Save it. A is equal to 20. So that's the pointer. So it works in all the type. It works for the float, it works for the string or byte. So in a similar way, it works for every type. Let's see use of this pointer in case of array. So I'm going to define a variable array. Let's type int 10, 20, 30, and in a function func f1 where b and type is Yeah, so this is the array. So let's define the size. Size is 3. Size is 3. So first I will use without pointer, and then we'll use the pointer and see the differences. Call the function f1 and pass a, and then print this value. And here let's try to add something in this b, like b append b and add 40, and here I'm going to print fmt println if inside function f1 and print the value this let me change to like b b b b and then also print a here. The print, we are already printing this. Let's say, yeah, that's fine. If I run, bb, you have to define this with the colon, run it again. First argument to append must be slice. Okay, so yeah, this is not a slice, so we cannot do the append. We'll see this example in a slice, but okay, this time let's change this value of a. So b maybe 0 is equal to 40. So I'm trying to change this value 0, but this is not going to happen because we pass a here in this function f1, and the b is another variable, and that holds the copy of a. So if I change in a b 0, it will change in the variable b but not in a. So that will not happen here, but we'll make, so first we'll see this, and then after that we'll be able to change the value of this a within this function with the help of pointer. So that's actually I want to show you. So first let's save it, run it. Where is b? Oh, it's a b, not a bb. So we'll see 10 inside a function 40 20 30. So inside a function we successfully change the value, that's why we saw 40 20 30, but we come outside, the value is not changed, so it's still 10 20 30. So and it's happening because we are not passing the reference, but we are passing this value, and the new variable will be created and all value will be copied. So inside b we changed b0, and we call the function, we come outside, b is gone, a is available. Let me pass address of a this time. So a, we are passing the address of a to this b. So I'm saying this is a pointer. So this time this is a pointer, so b holds the address of this array, and inside this function if I change the value of b0, it's actually getting changed this value. So if you print in a both case inside and outside, this, the first value will be changed to 40. But here this is a pointer and we want to change this first block, then I have to access this with the help of star b. And in the case of and in this way, like if you want to change this, then wrap this within a bracket and it works. So that's why it's complaining here. See, outside also here, let's print with the star a. Oh no, we cannot do the star array because we are passing, this is not a the pointer we are passing address up here, so I think we are good in the first. Yes, so we can see here inside a function f1, yeah, here we can do a star b. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to remove this ampersand. Let's try now again. Yeah, so inside a function 40 20 30 and outside of function 40 20 30, because we pass the address of a here, and this holds the just address of this array, and inside this we are saying a star b 0, so actually it's changing this value, and so that's why when we printed we got like 420 30 inside and outside also 420 30 40 20 30. So that's the use of this pointer. So in this way we can pass the pointer for the array, and if you want to change something inside the array. So that's very useful when we do the project, pass the variable address of the variable, then it's very useful. Let's do the similar thing in a slice. So this time I'm going to remove this 3. This is slice now. First time I'm going to pass just a here. Then this is not a pointer also. Okay, so this is a slice example. Let's see. Array and slice. We saw the array, and then next is slice. Okay, so in case of slice, in a last video also we saw the slice is always as a reference. So we are passing a, and the b holds as a reference, because this is a slice, this is not an array. So in this case, if I change the value here, b0 is equal to 40, then it's getting changed here, because passing the slice is a reference. So that's we saw in the last video. We'll see one more time here. I'm printing a here and the printing b here. So but in both case, this value is going to be changed. Okay, 40 20 30 40 20 30. So we saw this same thing in the last video, but let's say I'm going to append some new variable or new value in the same variable. So let's say b append b, and now 10 20 30, I want to add 50 at end. I did like this, print the b, and let's see what happened. This time inside a function we successfully appended, but if you come outside, it's a 10 20 30. So this is a big surprise, even though we are passing a reference here, because this is a slice and we're passing slice, and passing slice is always a reference. Why the change is not happening here? The reason is when we till here, like till b, till here it was holding the reference of a, so that was good. As soon as we appended a new item in a b, the new array created, and the new array has a 10 20 30 and a 50, and now b holds the reference of the new array. So we printed the new array, but we didn't touch the old array, so that's why it happened. But you want to achieve like 50 to be added here, then we'll do in a different way. We pass address of this reference again. and here we'll say this, and then star B, and here I can say star B. So if I do this time, this holds address of this, because we are passing the reference here, and in this way whatever we make a change, the change will happen here. So we'll see this. Which line is saying main go 95? Okay, we are passing, we need to pass address in a function, not in this place. So see, it's a 10, 20, 30, 50, and inside and outside also 10, 20, 30, 50. So this concept is very much important to understand, like you passing the pointer or using the pointer in case of array and in case of slice. Otherwise it's a very common mistake. We do not use the pointer and we understand, okay, we are passing the reference of the slice and that's actually correct, but we create the new array inside, and that's not get reflected outside, and we'll get surprised in that case. So this we remember use of this pointer. So that's all for today. Thank you.